Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Poorna Chandu PV and I live in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Talking about myself on the career front, I am a BCOM graduate in accounting and finance, and currently I am pursuing my chartered accountancy final. And I am on YouTube out of passion, but as of now I won't be a full-time YouTuber. I don't even have a camera, mic, high-end editing softwares to edit my videos and stuff like that, but I'll get there eventually. I'm doing this in my free time only. The only thing I can guarantee you guys is that you'll get minimum of one video per week irrespective of my schedule, that's for sure. So what kind of content can you expect on this channel? Well, when I was figuring out what type of content I should be sharing, I had a lot of options which I was capable of doing in my point of view, like vlogging, education, and fitness, current affairs, entertainment like comedy videos, etc. But I couldn't stick to one category of videos alone, because let's say if I start vlogging and you have been following me for a year, at the end of that year you will obviously know more about me, but it won't create any value addition for your life, isn't it? Let's say I'm into education and started guiding you on books, financial guidance, motivation and stuff like that. Over a period of time, you might feel disconnected if I keep teaching you all the time. Fitness on the other hand is of course important, but it's not the end of the life. Life has many other factors as well which needs attention. Let's say if I gain experience in such other factors and feel like worth sharing, if my channel's motto is limited to fitness, then sharing other things might affect the motto of the channel. And coming to current affairs or news, I can gain subscribers very swiftly under this category for sure, but think about it, if I want to share current affairs now, I'll end up with revolving around corona and other negative news, isn't it? That's what our news channels has been feeding you up, so enough of negative resources. And coming to the next option, channel cannot be entertainment alone, because for obvious reasons as discussed earlier. It might relax you for a while, but value addition factor is compromised when you consider it from a long-term perspective. So you might be wondering what I'll be sharing on this channel. I'll share everything. Everything right from the sneak peek into my personal and professional life through vlogs, positive entertainment videos for some relaxation, be it short videos or long videos. Whenever if there is something called as knowledge, wisdom and other experiences that I gain and I feel like it is worth sharing with you people so that it can evolve you as individuals and also create value addition to your life, then I'll share it for sure. I'll try to bring you guys on the fitness track as well with some workout routines, cooking, diet habits, etc. because I believe that a healthy body always complements a healthy mind and you can be better with your life. Also, I have some love for automobiles and stuff, so I'll try to provide you with such knowledge as well. So this ensures a kind of suspense or rather surprise before you expect next video on this channel. And also if you look back after some period, you'll realize that it's not just about the channel's growth but yours as well. So I consider this channel and its subscribers as my family. I'll stay loyal to you guys, and yeah, let's begin our journey. And if you're interested in the journey I'm talking about and wish to add value addition to your life in all-round manner, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon as well so that you'll get instant notifications whenever I'm online. Hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.